Proto.io is a powerful design and prototyping tool that allows UX or UI designers and teams to create interactive, high-fidelity prototypes for web and mobile applications. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Proto.io effectively. Sign up or log in. Start by creating a Proto.io account or logging in if you already have one. You can use Proto.io in your web browser or download the desktop version for more control. Creating a new project. After logging in, create a new project. Give it a name and description that reflects the purpose of the prototype. Designing your prototype. Building screens. Use a drag and drop editor to design different screens for your app. Add elements such as buttons, forms, images, text, and more from the widget library. Adding interactions. Define interactions between screens such as navigation, transitions, and gestures. You can add actions like clicks, hovers, swipes, and taps to create realistic user flows. Enhancing prototypes. Incorporating rich media. Upload images, videos, and custom assets directly into Proto.io to enhance the visual design. Adding logic. Utilize conditional interactions to simulate dynamic behaviors, such as showing or hiding elements based on user input or different screen flows. Sharing and collaboration. Sharing prototypes. Once your prototype is complete, you can share it with stakeholders and clients via a shareable link or embed it into websites for demonstration purposes. Feedback. Gather feedback from team members or clients using Proto.io's built-in commenting system, which allows for detailed discussions directly on the prototype. Testing and handoff. User testing. Conduct usability testing by interacting with the prototype and gathering insights on its usability and design. Developer handoff. Generate design specifications such as dimensions, colors, and interactive flows to pass on to development teams for implementation. Advanced features. Reusable components. Create reusable components to maintain design consistency across multiple screens. Version control. Keep track of updates and versions, making it easier to iterate on feedback and adjustments.